Welcome again to Panther Math Corner. This is Dr. Howard. We're going to complete our series on rotations. This is the last rotation involving 270 degrees counterclockwise. We have our pre-image X and Y and the transform image of Y and X. And in this case, X is negative. Alright. X is negative. And let's begin. We're going to use the same points, F and 1, negative 5. Alright. And it's prime or transform F prime. Take a look at it. This is your existing X and Y. Now, you may see that this looks like the same exact coordinates for a 90-degree rotation. Again, they share the same signs and same type of similar rotations, but this one's counterclockwise, so you'll be going in the opposite direction but in the same position as if you were going to a rotation of 90 degrees clockwise. But I'll present a chart at the end of this video. Before the end of this video, this lesson, I'll present a chart that shows you the overall types of rotations. Now again, X and Y interchange. In this case, again, Y comes first, X comes last or second. Alright, and it's similar interchange of positions. Y is negative 5, so it remains the same. But X, it's positive. When it comes here, it becomes negative because it tells you to multiply negative to the existing X. So you have negative. Alright. Let's do D. 0, negative 2. Alright. You have D prime. Alright. You have your X and Y. Okay, now your existing X and Y, they interchange. Okay, excuse me, they interchange. So Y comes first, X comes second. Alright, so Y is negative 2, it doesn't change. The X value would change if there was another number, but it's not, it's 0. So, you know, when you replace the negative, the X for 0, and you have the negative in the rotation, it'll still remain 0. So you can't multiply a negative number of any type to 0 to get a number. It will always be 0. Okay, and the last one, R, which is 4 and negative 3. Alright. In its transformation, it becomes R prime. Alright, there's an exchange of X and Y. Alright, so Y comes first. Alright, so Y remains negative 3 because there's no change. Alright, however, let me put up here. However, X comes here. Alright, 4 is positive in its pre-image, but in the notation for X, for the degree rotation, the counterclockwise rotation to work, we have to multiply negatives. So this negative to this positive 4 changes the 4 from positive to negative 4. Okay, all right. I'm going to put it right here. Okay, I hope you can see the points. Please graph these points in the GeoGebra software, okay? And usually pause it so that you have enough time to, you have plenty of time to look at your GeoGebra software, open it up or access it, and then do these points on the graph, or you can write the points on paper and then close this video and do the GeoGebra. Okay, I want to illustrate a summary of all of the types of rotations. I have this sheet. You can see all of the rotations. And I can zoom in. You see? Alright, as you look at the 90 degrees, clockwise and counterclockwise, alright, it's different. But as I move it up, you can see that the values for both 270 clockwise share the same value for your 90 degrees counterclockwise, and vice versa. All right. If you need this sheet again, I'll give it to my students, and also I can try to post it somewhere on my video. Okay, this is Dr. Howard, and this is the end of the lesson for rotations, and we'll do more transformations later, and I'll set the videos. You have a great day. Thank you.